Now the next thing that we need to do is enable our migrations for our DB context. So how we're doing that? Here we got our put to context, and we would like to enable migrations. So going to we need first to open package manager console. So here looking for package manager console. Okay, and just open it. Here make sure that your default project is basically pointing to this one where your DB context is located. Now what I need to say is enable migrations and press enter. This, you see now, it will create automatically here a folder migrations with our settings. And now we have it created. So you can see that what we have is first configuration constructor with the property automatic migrations enabled. This is set to false. Now what we set, usually is good to have this dot, and we're setting that to true. The other thing is this dot automatic migration data loss allowed is equal to true. So while we're in development or staging process, we need to do it. But after that, for example, you can leave to do set properties to false on production/live environment. Okay, but for now we can keep them as automatic migrations enabled to true and automatic migrations data loss allowed equals true. I'm removing now unused namespaces. Okay, what we can do? Well, you can use your seed method to have some, let's say, to seed some data. So let's say I'm going to create var tags is equal to new dictionary from string and tag. Okay, and after that. So for that, basically, I have created already code just to place it, and here importing usings. Okay, so what we were saying, var tags equals new dictionary from string and tag. For each of them, we got some key, which is C#, AngularJS, JavaScript, Node.js, object-oriented programming, or link. And here we got new tag with some ID name, etc., etc. After that, we're saying for each tags.value, context.tags.add or update. And here, all that, I can put it in region, which could be add tags. And after that, here say end region. Just to have it separated. So we know here, for example, we got tags. After that, we can have authors and courses. Already I have created that code, so we don't need to generate things like that. But let's see. So we got now, let's open the second region, authors. What we have is var authors equals new list from authors. And here I have just add some. So here we got Mosh, Anthony, Eric, Don, John. And we can go for each and update all of them. After that, we got add courses, and here again some courses we have that we can use. Okay, and here just add brackets. Okay, good. So we have our code for seeding, and basically now only one more thing left, and this is to register our configuration inside our DB context. So I'm going back to put context, and inside my constructor I would say this dot configuration dot lazy loading enabled is equal to true. And so far, basically, that's what we need to have to make these things work. Just one more thing, inside migrations, when you're doing your migrations, you might receive some file here, which is something like sort of your date, let's say 2017 month, and here just let's place some things like that. And after that, initial migration.cs. You might have it this when you set your migration for first time, but that's fine, you can just keep it or leave it. Okay, so that's how we can install and set migrations.